I'm Bill Crawford. We're in the MEDX facility inside basic training in my gym in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is a MEDX lumbar extension machine. It's designed to isolate and exercise the paraspinal erector spinae muscle groups of the lumbar spine. We've all seen quote-unquote low back exercises, whether it's a hyperextension machine or a rubber ball or laying on the floor, and there are inadequacies in these types of exercises because they fail to isolate and get an isolated recruitment of the lumbar spine. What happens is the pelvic structure rotates with the vertebral column. And when this happens, you're getting recruitment from the hamstrings and the glutes. So the spine just kind of goes along for the ride, as do the muscles that support the lumbar spine. This machine was designed after the MEDX medical lumbar extension machine, and it employs an elaborate system of restraining devices. So after it's properly adjusted, about 118 degrees in the bend, the patella is slightly above the iliac crest. These pads are centered above and below the patella. Then when you turn this crank, it puts pressure on the femur bone, driving it deep inside, pushing against the pelvic structure, blocking the pelvic structure against this pad so it can't move. It's anchored down. So when we release the movement arm, come down, lock the weight in place, and push up, we are getting an isolated contraction, an isolated recruitment of the muscles in the paraspinal lumbar spine erector spinae. This effectively exercises the low back. When we're finished, we unlock the movement arm, bring it up, lock it back into position. This, like all other MEDX machines, employs a 2-pound, 2-system compound weight stack system where you have 20-pound increments on the bottom, 2-pound increments on the top, so that you can always use exactly the right weight. There's a system of levers that push the weight up, so there's no cables, pulleys, or guide rods to create friction and drag. So almost all of the torque force that you are recruiting with muscular contraction goes to lift the weight, not overcome friction. The weight stacks move less than 12 inches. This reduces any opportunity for inertia or momentum, which greatly reduces any chance of an impact force related injury. This is MEDX equipment. You can find it at Basic Training in Scottsdale, Arizona, where we have a complete line of the strength training equipment. We also have the MEDX medical cervical neck and lumbar extension machine. Thank you for coming in. Have a great day. I'll catch you next time. Bye.